Electric scooters have come a long way over the past several years. Not so long ago, consumers had only a few choices. Now, there are so many electric scooters for adults that it can be hard to pick out the one that's right for you. If you are looking for an outstanding, lightweight, ultra-portable, one-handed carrying electric scooter for easy commuting or recreation purposes, or simply as a source of entertainment, then you may want to take a look at the brand new Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter. Plus, if you're looking for an electric scooter that won't break the bank but can still reliably deliver you to your destination, the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter might be for you. With easy acceleration thanks to the 350-watt motor and a decent hill climb, the speedy e-scooter performs admirably. Featuring a dual braking system and an enhanced automotive-grade 36-volt 8-amp-hour battery, it easily surpasses its predecessor. The range is limited to around 20 miles, but for a budget e-scooter, it's a real find and a great value. It is also currently on sale for a discounted price of $399.97 instead of the usual price of $499.97. Additionally, you can get a 14% discount with the coupon code TECHLSA3. The link is in the description below if you want to check it out. In this review, we are going to take a look at everything from the specifications, highlights, benefits, and drawbacks of this brand new electric scooter. This new addition from Smoosat is already on the way to becoming one of the best mid-budget electric scooters around. With a speed that rivals some of the best scooters in this price range, along with additional advanced features, just about every aspect of this scooter hits the mark. Who should buy the Smoosat SA3 electric scooter? In general, this is a solid electric scooter for those who are relatively new to the market. It is a solid, durable, and safe entry-level electric scooter. While it may not be great for anyone who is looking to complete races or take their electric scooter off-road, this is a great scooter for adults who are considering commuting with an electric scooter at an affordable price. It also has a lot of features for new riders to enjoy, making it even better for those who are still a bit new to riding an electric scooter. Unboxing and assembly. The packaging for the scooter is custom made, and the scooter arrives securely packaged because of it. The box contains all the scooter parts, the charger, the manual, and all the tools you'll need to assemble the scooter. The SA3 is mostly pre-assembled. There will be some basic assembly you need to do, which is fairly simple. The provided manual includes all the instructions you'll need. First, you need to take out the scooter from the packaging, then unfold it and secure it with the built-in locking mechanism. Then insert the handlebar into the stem, secure it, and make sure it doesn't wiggle. You do that by using the Allen wrench and the provided screws that came with the package. Make sure to charge the scooter to 100% before riding it for the first time. Check out the following in-depth video for a quick and easy guide on how to assemble the entire thing step by step. You can find the video assembly link down in the description below. Let's talk about the Smoosat SA3 electric scooter features in depth. Some of the specifications to note about the Smoosat SA3 include a top speed of around 15.6 miles per hour. The SA3 scooter is equipped with an automotive-grade 36-volt or 8-amp-hour battery, which can travel up to 20 miles per single charge. Powerful upgraded motor. The 350-watt brushless hub motor offers a top speed of up to 15.6 miles per hour, or 25 kilometers per hour. With a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds, or 100 kilograms, the electric scooter can carry a person up a 14-degree hill without effort. The automotive-grade battery of the SA3 scooter uses the same battery spec as electric vehicles. The battery pack has at least 800 charging cycles, which makes the life cycle increased by 50% more than others. Real-time LED display has one power button to turn on or off the scooter, switch speed gear, and cruise mode. It features a high-precision control system in which the computing power is increased by 50% for faster processing. One-step folding design. The adult electric scooter can be easily folded in just a couple of seconds. The folded size is only 42.1 inches by 19.7 inches by 20.3 inches. The quick folding mechanism and its lightweight design make carrying it for travel more convenient. The scooter weighs about 36 pounds, so it is very portable and lightweight compared to other big size scooters in the market. What are some of the other features of this electric scooter that people should take note of? Let's talk about the scooter deck. The deck has been nicely thought out on the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter. The grip pad performs well so you won't slip, even in light rain or tight corners. The flexibility of the deck provides a springy surface with plenty of give, so it feels comfortable instead of a rigid underfoot. The Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter has been touted for its official top speed of 15.6 miles per hour, which is more than enough power for everyday riding. This claim has been verified by riders in performance tests, but of course is dependent on many variables. We found the speed very realistic and even managed a breezy 20 miles per hour when riding downhill. The Smoosat SA3 handles hills relatively well and can scale up to 14-degree inclines without much of an issue. The extra torque from the 350-watt brushless rear hub rear motor gives you the speed that you need. You'll find the speed drops off at the steeper end, and you may need to give a few kicks to reach your destination, but when you're dealing with a single motor budget e-scooter, this is pretty standard. The acceleration on the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter performs very well, and achieving top speed takes an average of 10 seconds, which is comparable to some higher-end scooters. Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter has been smart to include the 36-volt 8-amp-hour battery with the 350-watt motor. Working together, you'll be able to establish and maintain reasonable speeds throughout your ride, and as long as you aren't regularly making the steepest incline climbs or expecting white-knuckle rides, you won't need anything quicker. The range on the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter has been advertised as around 20 miles per single charge. Once again, this is entirely dependent on variables including the rider weight, terrain, speed, and travel conditions, but we found the range was closer to 16 miles. If you're looking for an electric scooter that can maintain the full power and top speed for your 30-mile commute, the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter won't fit the bill. That being said, if you fall under the broad category of flat road riders looking to speed up short journeys, the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter is one of the best overall performers in the budget e-scooter category. The battery life is very reasonable, as you would expect from a 36-volt 8-amp-hour battery, and when you couple this with the super swift charging time of about 3 to 4 hours, it is unlikely that you'll be disappointed. The 350-watt rear-wheel motor is a nice addition to the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter. The new battery life increases by 50% over typical batteries. The SA3's automotive-grade battery pack has a lifespan of at least 800 charging cycles. The Smoosat SA3 doesn't have any additional suspension, but the inclusion of solid tires does most of the work to dampen the impact. While the scooter works well on urban roads in reasonable terrain, it's worth noting that this is not an off-roading electric scooter. The tires can handle cracks in the road or pavement and the sudden drop off a curb, but potholes, gravel, and mud will be challenging, and you'll struggle to get the Smoosat SA3 to perform well under these conditions. Ride quality. The ride quality of the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter is overall very smooth. The 8.5-inch tires contribute to the glide, and the scooter is responsive to turns and easy to control. We found the incline approach easily too, and it's generally a fun way to get around. The cruise control feature is a nice option to have. Locking in your speed is great for longer distances, but we did find it battery draining and less useful if you're stopping frequently between traffic lights. The acceleration doesn't kick in immediately, so you'll need to manually kick off the scooter and wait a few seconds for the motor to take over. This is a standard mode of operation for electric scooters within this price range and can actually be less jarring than an immediate lurch into 10 mph speeds. Braking. The dual brake system on the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter is very effective. Featuring drum-style brakes and ABS anti-lock, it makes for a responsive braking time even at top speed. The brakes are controlled with brake levers set on the handlebars of the scooter, which are easy to control and intuitive, especially for cyclists. The brakes are responsive, but you will need to apply proper pressure to the brake lever to ensure both brakes activate. Do practice getting used to the braking system before trying high speeds with the scooter. Portability. The Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter is foldable thanks to the mechanism connecting the stem and the deck. The scooter can easily be folded in just a couple of seconds, and it's super convenient. The overall weight of the folded frame is light enough to carry easily, whether you're heading up a flight of stairs, on public transportation, or lifting it into the boot of a car. The compact dimensions when folded are 42.1 inches by 19.7 inches by 20.3 inches, meaning the scooter is neat enough to slip under a desk or be taken into a lift without issue. The quick folding mechanism and light carrying features makes your travel more convenient. Lights. The lighting on the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter is good. There's a strong inbuilt LED headlight which provides a decent amount of light for nighttime riding. There's also a tail light. Braking causes the taillight to flash red. However, the trade-off is a lack of a turn signal, meaning you'll need to purchase additional lights if you plan to ride at night and plan to use a turn signal. As always, proceed with caution when planning night rides and always ensure you have enough visibility. Tires. The solid tires take on the dual responsibility of providing suspension and balancing the weight of the Smoosat SA3. At 8.5 inches, the tires are wider than you might expect, and they help to cushion the bumps and cracks on flat roads very well. There is a debate in the electric scooter community about the pros and cons of solid tires versus air-filled tires. One of the cons noted of solid tires is the tendency toward the ability to adapt to the road, which is poor. Uneven roads can be bumpy compared to air-filled tires. However, it has been widely reported that the tires on the Smoosat SA3 electric scooter stand up to wear and tear and perform far better than the tires of direct competitors. Controls and display. The high-performance electric scooter boasts ergonomically designed controls that are comfortably latched onto the two handlebars. The accelerator sits to the right alongside the clear digital LCD display. This latter shows the ride mode, speed, battery level, and more. In addition, it boasts a simple button that allows riders to switch between riding modes. The scooter has 3 riding modes: Eco, Drive, and Sport. Quick press once to change gear. Quick press twice to turn on or off the headlight. Quick press 3 times to switch between metric and imperial. Reliability, warranty, and customer support. We found the Smoosat SA3 to be very reliable within its capacity. Make sure you're fully charged before you set off, plan your route so you can remain on decent roads, and try to be mindful to reserve full power for when you really need it. It's reasonable to expect several years of use out of the Smoosat SA3. When you maintain best practices, you will find the scooter is consistent, secure, and very capable. Maintenance. A very low maintenance scooter, the Smoosat SA3 needs minimal upkeep, and you won't need a specialist to check the functionalities. Customer support from Smoosat is widely reported to be responsive and very helpful. Accessories. As standard, the scooter comes with a kickstand, a rubber grip deck, a digital LCD display, handlebars, a bell, and a built-in headlight. Now, let's talk about the things I love about this electric scooter and some of the features that I think could be better. What I like about the scooter is that it's extremely good value for the price. It's easy to assemble, has a dual braking system, it's ultra lightweight for amazing portability, it's a comfortable ride, and it has a digital display. Now, let's talk about some of the things I'd change. There's no smart app or Bluetooth capacity. No turn signal feature. No additional suspension. Who should buy the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter? Price-wise, this is a very attractive commuter scooter. It doesn't have a huge range, so it's meant for last-mile commuters who value a comfortable ride and fast speeds. If you want to supplement your city commute with a greener option, but don't want to spend a lot on a higher-end scooter, the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter is a good choice. Is this e-scooter a good value for your money, and is it worth buying? With the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter being one of the most budget-friendly portable electric scooters out there, we can see why people love this scooter and what they're offering. For the battery that this scooter comes with and the price point, it's one of the best available. So you can still get a sturdy scooter without breaking the bank, and this is one thing that it beats its rivals with. It really does have everything you'd need without needing to spend a huge amount of money. For what it is, the Smoosat SA3 Electric Scooter is impressive. We're giving it a 4.4 out of 5 as a last mile budget commuter scooter. The built-in handlebar display has all the info you need, and while it's about as light as a scooter of this level could be, we do wish the lighting was better, which is why we docked some points. You can easily fix that by buying a helmet with a turn signal light. It's a solid electric scooter for teens and adults alike. We recommend it. As always, thank you for checking out our review. If you are interested in learning more about this product, we provide the links in the description below. If you like and found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later!